And at the top of this hour, we're getting some breaking news. TVK chief Vijay attacks Prime Minister Modi's Chola outreach. Vijay accuses Prime Minister Modi of neglecting Tamil. Vijay says DMK didn't respect Cholas, BJP stepped in, and DMK and BJP are hand in gloves in Chola neglect. This is what TVK chief Vijay has said. He also said that Prime Minister Modi and BJP neglecting Tamil, claiming to install statues for Chola kings. And he said that had only DMK given the necessary respect to Chola kings, BJP wouldn't have taken it up. So that's the attack that is coming to the fore by TVK chief Vijay against Prime Minister Modi's Chola outreach. Remember, just 2 days ago, Prime Minister Modi was in Tamil Nadu. He visited the Cholapuram temple and gave tribute to Rajendra Chola first. Now, TVK chief Vijay has accused Prime Minister Modi of neglecting Tamil Nadu. He goes on to say that DMK didn't respect Cholas and that is why BJP stepped in, and that DMK and BJP are hand in gloves in the Chola neglect. And he also said that Prime Minister Modi and BJP are neglecting Tamil but claiming to install statues for the Chola kings.
चोला राजाओं ने अपने राजनयिक और व्यापारिक संबंधों का विस्तार श्रीलंका, मालदीव और दक्षिण पूर्व एशिया तक किया था। ये भी एक संयोग है कि मैं कल ही मालदीव से लौटा हूं और आज तमिलनाडु में इस कार्यक्रम का हिस्सा बना हूं। हमारे शास्त्र कहते हैं, शिव के साधक भी शिव में ही समाहित होकर उनकी ही तरह अविनाशी हो जाते हैं। इसलिए शिव की अनन्य भक्ति से जुड़ी भारत की चोला विरासत भी आज अमर हो चुकी है।